In order to get up and running with our project, we need a local server which allow us to use PHP and MySQL. So we need to download XAMPP which comes with PHP and MySQL. So just type XAMPP download and click on the first link, Apache Friends. So just click on the first link and download the version of operating system that you are using. I'm using Windows, so I'll click on this one. If you are using Linux, you are supposed to click on this one. So, and also the second thing that we need is a code editor. That's where we are going to write our code. So I'm using Windows, so I'll click on this one. If you are using Mac, then you click on this one. I already have XAMPP and VS Code installed on my PC. So just install it and see me in the next video.